To record sounds on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all you will have to open App Drawer and move into the recorder. This is the sound recorder application, so you have to click to get started. Accept all of these permissions. You can backup your records if you want, so you can click to yes backup or keep offline. In my case, I would like to stay with them offline. Now you can detect and label speakers. I would like to, so I'm gonna click continue and click yes I am in if you really want to get it. Now, before you actually start recording, I recommend you to click here and go into the recorder settings, because right here we can change some options, like for example, you can use your device microphone or the Bluetooth external microphone if it is available, so you can actually decide. There's also some other options like keyword scrolling, speaker labs, and also the transcription language, which is very important if you speak with someone with a different language. And now to start, just click here. And as you can see right now, I've got a preset of the audio, but right here we can find the transcript, which is really useful, I believe, for some of you. And right here we can also turn on and off the labels that I mentioned before. And now if you want to finish, or you can pause, you just click here. Now you can resume and save by clicking here. And by tapping on it one more time, you can click here and you can find a lot of options. There you can speed up this video, we can rename, backup, or for example, you can even edit speaker labels if you want. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.